Dad, I've just got 2 sentences for you. Love you so much and thank you for not increasing my rent.
We left this side presentation while we count up this side.
Wow.
And it's my first time.
How's Australia?
G'day, mate.
Okay.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Whakaalo Fatima Ko. We're here at the Pakiranga Ellerslie Event Centre with the one and only.
Here it is. Hey,
Yo. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Here is the main. Chee. Yeah, going down. Man of the hour. Just arrived to Ellerslie Event Centre. Yep. Got Stevenson from Aussie, flew all the way from Australia. And Dad just walking in by himself. Nicholas looking a bit naked there, needs something around it. Oh, whoa. Oh.
Happy birthday! Hey, happy birthday, Grandpa! Hey,
Oh, come here, we'll just get Grandpa. We'll follow Grandpa in. And then you say the first speech.
right up there! Right, okay, follow yeah.
Ooh, wow.
Do you want a drink? Happy birthday, man!
Thank you, Buddha. That's my $50, Buddha.
I think the fingers out there. I'll just leave it somewhere.
But it's already, there's a
Yeah. As you can see, everyone's pretty busy. Look at that. Christian, just kaho. Kaho. The money.
Oh, the money.
Yeah.
I thought when we come to do the sibling thing, we can give the money then.
Hey. Dave, oh yeah, okay, Dave.
Hey, welcome to Happy Birthday, Grandpa! I love you! Yeah!
Fuck all it. Okay. Let's go let's go around. Christopher! Hey Chris, how are you?
Happy birthday, Grandpa. Hope you have a good birthday.
Fuck all it. It's the MC. Any words?
Happy birthday, Grandpa! Yeah, have a good party!
Fuck all it.
Happy birthday, Grandpa!
Yo. You go. Hello, Fat.
How are you?
Looking sharp there.
Thanks, man. Is it on? Have you got a selfie mode or?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Hey, Pagolatu. Happy birthday, Dad. Happy 70th. Thank you for all the love and support and opportunities you've given us. Hopefully you have a great night tonight and looking forward to celebrating many more birthdays and maybe go to Niue and build one more house. So, Pagolahi.
Fuck all it. Alright. Wow. Whoa, look at this. I don't know who. cash. DJ, Makalo Fatu. Hey, Niwayne.
Sorry?
Are you Niwayne? Yes. Oh, Makalo Fatu, brother. It's Brent Makatai.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Oh man.
Are you the videographer?
Oh, just a home YouTuber.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's my dad. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So thanks. Hayden said you did his wedding.
Yeah. I did his wedding, and then I think probably 2-3 years ago,
Yeah.
I DJ'd what's the wife's name? Hannah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Hannah's sister or Hannah's cousin. I DJ'd her wedding on Waiheke Island.
Oh, the brother.
Yeah.
The
Someone
wedding.
in the family, yeah.
Yeah.
So, and he's always kept in touch. So when he got in touch with me last month about his dad's birthday, I was like, yep, I'm available. And it was funny because after I confirmed all the details with him, 3 other people asked me to DJ.
Oh, after 3.
Yeah,
Tonight.
3 different events on the same night. So I was like, oh, sorry man, I'm already gone.
Lucky. Bro, what village you from?
Makifu and Abasele.
Makifu and Abasile. You related to Lolo Kini or St. Lucia?
Yes, I'm related to Sam.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I haven't seen Sam in a while though.
Oh, he's busy man. He's doing a doctor. He's a doctor now.
Really?
Yeah. PhD guy. Yeah. PhD ASAM. Yeah. Bro, that's good. So you had 3 people cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, called my brother Steve and your lovely wife and a lot of your beautiful kids and all handsome and the great-grandchildren or great-children. Thank you for the invitation you're giving to us. Now we are family and thank you for children. They come here and we talk English and Niue, but the first time I saw him. But you're welcome to come and see us at home, children.
Yeah.
So we can wish to see you. But thank you very much for your time. And my husband is Jane Foster, and we got 7 family, plus our little boy Jason. He's 8 altogether. Got all the place for our family, like you, children's dad and mom. We got 7 altogether, plus all the grandchildren. But mun win này hope mình win này phần nào phao mà Steve và la hiệp việc kia và tổng lo ngập tù của phần nào vậy chỉ cua thì tổng cua history rất history. But for the big for him, thank you very much for your time, children. We all love you, family. Thank you. Yeah. Is that okay?
Perfect.
Perfect, thanks.
Okay.
Yeah.
My turn, huh?
Yeah.
Kia ora ana Steven o James toko ingoa, bro. Speaking kubai. Ia ka meteki mai ko e te tua. No to pete I tungoro mo te di te era. Ia ka meteki mai ko e te tua. Kia ora ana e ka kite.
Yeah. Any well wishes for Dad?
Hello everyone in Niue. Good to be here to celebrate brother's 70th birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Thank you.
Hey, cuz. Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too.
Hey, how are you? Alright. Hey, Nat, you want to say something for my dad?
Yeah, happy 70th birthday, Uncle Stephen. It's so good to see that you're doing really well health-wise and looking really well. I just wish you all the best, wish you good health and happiness always, and thank you for everything that you have done for our family, and we love you so much. Congratulations on your 70th. Thank you. And just kind of like on an angle, or alright? Hey,
Thank you.
We will serve a la carte there tonight
What I'd like to do now is I'd like to very quickly ask our my mum, Malikiri, to come up and officially open tonight's ceremony and celebration with a short prayer. Yeah. Hey, Rep Pasmas May!
Christian kai amanaki niau ke pasipasi ataki. Oh ya, kemudian kia Vika, inga mo wali kia apa ki dia kita tu buat Yom.
Koe awhia whike karana ma whaheke te tū ki mua he tua. The evening, the celebration is all about making noises unto God to give thanks and praise for the wonderful life that Stephen has for the last 70 years. And of course, with John, making that blessing for the next step going forward. Kahuneia, nā ma whaheke ki mua he tua ki awhia Stephen, ke he tau whakamuna ngā tuka whakafōwhōua ki he hawa mōi, mo e hawa roto whakawhiri, i hia mo e hamua te waro alo ngā nāwe. Ke whakamunu atu ke hova, ke hana a tō whakamuni ngā tuka awhania te ia maha mua. Let us pray. Beautiful tō. Hape awhania e koe mōi he hawa tu whumasia ko Stephen koe tua.
What our dad also wants to say is over to our atua. Yeah, we would say over to ki atua lami, the Becky and Matua name is Stephen McGarrett, Matua de Whanau Fisi, Uafuru Maua, Uni, 1953, born in the CWM Hospital in Fiji, Suva, which is the Colonial War Memorial Hospital. Born to the father, Punapa, and also his mother, Wani. God rest his soul, rest in peace. He was born in 1953, and at the end of the year, the family caught a boat to Niue from Fiji, and that was when my dad was only 6 months old. What he remembers is that his mum, Wani, was a little bit seasick from the journey on the sea. The family landed in Alofi, which is the capital of Niue, and they stayed at the village green in Alofi before moving to Akupu, where they stayed for the rest of their lives. At 5 years old, my dad started schooling at the Torsea Primary School. And there's a funny story to this. Dad remembers holding and choosing a coconut cup from the windowsill at the primary school. And the coconut cup was there for the purpose of drinking warm milk, which was being boiled in the copper pot at the school. And that's what they had for their morning tea, or for their lunch. So that was a good story. A few years later, after my dad's birth, came his brothers and sisters. Yeah, come in. His brothers and sisters, starting with Andiopa, also known as Papa. Then George, or Solo. Then Hekimalino Heke Moka was next. No? Porcino was next. Thank you, Paul, for correcting, and thank you, Mark, for correcting. Then Paul. Oh, sorry, then Marcus. Paul and Moka. Thank you very much, Moka. Thank you very much, Paul. After Moka came the twins, Sheila and Anna. And then after Sheila and Anna came Kenny, also known as Kenny. The baby special guest. Most of the brothers, well, most of the sisters are here. Hopefully the brothers make their way here shortly as well. At 11 years old, Dad started running Form 1 at school. Or when he was in Form 1. And before there was a car horse, Frankie Fredericks or Usain Bolt or Stephen Eric, the Niue's own athletics champion. And for those that don't know, you are the president. Thank you very much. At 17 years, he met a lovely lady while he was working on the construction of the Niue Hotel. And this lady was soon to, well, later will become his wife, our mother, Mali Toria. Thank you. Our dad at the time was attending classes. One of the classes that he told me he was attending was an accounting class, where he passed his exams at 88%. So a bit of a scholar in the maths. And I think that's why a lot of your kids, your grandkids are very good at maths as well. Dad used this skill to apply for a clerk in the Justice Department, and he subsequently was successful in gaining that role. At 18 years, in the year 1973, first child was born. That was Sandy. Sandy, stand up. What's Miss May?
Oh my God, that's Sandy!
After Sandy was born, another daughter was born, and that was Stephanie. Stephanie, stand up, please. Stephanie. Oh, Stephanie's in the bathroom. Thank you, Stephanie. After Stephanie was born, then the golden child was born.
Favorite.
That was me. After me was another beautiful lady, woman Eric. Please stand, woman Eric. And then after her was Anne Marie. Anne Marie, Eric, Anne Marie. After Anne Marie, we went back to boys. And the second boy that was born was John Eric. And then after John was Aiden. All talented and all good looking. So, well done to Mum. In 1975, shortly after, he left for New Zealand. Not after the kids were born, but in the months here, left for New Zealand, in search of more opportunity. Upon arriving to New Zealand, he went to look for his cousin, Dennis Bibiani, but he wasn't home. But Lovelock was home. And Lovelock said to Dad, "Are you looking for a job?" Dad said, "Yeah, sure." And Lovelock said, "You can head over there to the good shed. I think they're applying and taking on applicants for jobs." And that's what my dad did. He went over to the good shed and they said, "Are you looking for a job?" "Yeah, I am looking for a job." And they said, "Great, we'll take you on and you start at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning." And that was the start of a very long, but fun time with New Zealand Railway. And there are so many good memories around New Zealand. Sorry, I'm corrected, 42 years at New Zealand Railway. One story that Dad told me the other night is he said, he was a man, and this man was called Kevin Creamer. And Kevin said to Dad, "Please, if you give me $10, I can take you down to Te Kaupata, which is this place that's apparently booming, but you can go and see a house. There's a railway house down there. Maybe you want to stay there." And then Dad paid the $10. And Kevin said, "You can bring yourself, but also your wife as well. So let's head down." It was love at first sight. As soon as they saw this railway house, full wooden, Cody walls, Cody floors, took it on the spot. And we stayed there until I turned 5 years old. Since that time, all the other kids were born, and we came up to Auckland to find even more opportunity. In total, 4 girls and 3 boys. As Dad puts it, we all work for the New Zealand government, but I know I do not work for the New Zealand government. And I don't work in the quarry either. I just saying. But a very funny story around that. But we are so proud to have so many good memories with our dad. And thank you also to all the memories that you've given us. I remember everything from your job at the New Zealand Railways. I remember the lamb's tails that were being cooked on the fire in Te Kaupata. I also remember the railway biscuits up until they ended the railway biscuits. The railway biscuits were awesome. Oh, there's Maori boys cooking lamb's tail. Sorry, I corrected once again. For some reason I thought they were New Zealand. Maori boys and Maori girls. Okay, there we go. I also remember the free train rides from Waitakere, Auckland, and also the one that goes to Onehunga and Papakura, and then the one that stops at Westfield as well. I remember the free train rides. Some of you might remember the same free train rides. I also remember the battens up and also the raffles that used to happen at the Westfield yard as well, all part of the railways. And I also remember a funny story with myself and Muma. I think we were only about 8 years old each, but we caught a train from Wellington to Auckland. Then we walked from Auckland City to GI by ourselves. I don't know how that was allowed, but New Zealand Railways, everyone, they allowed us to do that. So, very funny story. Dad, you have also had so many achievements as well. Not just 42 years in New Zealand Rail, but you also bought your own home here in Auckland. You also raised 7 intelligent, important and loyal children who contribute to the community and keep striving for success. I wonder sometimes, why do I have over 100,000 invested in timeshares? And I think it's because my dad here is also an investor. He's such an investor that he has a platinum membership at Sky City. Well done, very good. That's a whale law, apparently, that's what it's called, whale law. Also, you have won several prizes in your golfing, through your golfing talent as well. So I'd like to recognize it, but also, our dad, you're also a very loving grandfather to the new tribe of grandkids and also the kids to come as well. We all love you so much. Dad, I know you're a bit careful around the sea, which is exactly why I push myself to be the best fisherman that I can be. You also mentioned a few years ago, hey, heck yeah. You also mentioned a few years ago that the Toastmasters Club is an awesome club who does awesome speeches, which is why I joined the Toastmasters Club 7 years ago, and I've been the president of there quite a few times. We, your kids, just want to make you proud of us. That's all we want to do. Dad, on your birthday the other night, you wanted to bless your kids to be good like your parents. But you don't have to bless us. You are the blessing to us, and if it wasn't for you and the many blessings that you give us as kids, we wouldn't be here today. You'll drink, you'll go to soft drinks, and raise it up into the air. Happy birthday, Dad. Bless your heart, bless your heart, bless your heart. To Stephen Eric. Thank you very much.
Love you.
Give me a seat now. Thank you.
Fuck all of what?
Wow, nakamana joke hobi. Akishim tu, lori. Kaya well, kita kan respect the truth. Wow. Thank you, Lord. Pagawal na yung tulpo. Ikut tulong mo ito. I could have been worse by my mom. Yeah, I can speak blood. Kawagin mo help ko. O tutulog ang tulpos. O kumagisi sa important day in our life. All of us. And also me. Thank you. And my son-in-law who called me. I think I didn't want to tell him. So I kawagin mo help. Kawagin mo help. Kawagin mo help. Etang marolo. I want to visit all my families, and I'm very happy to meet them all. Si pagkawaya ako eh. Ako na ako sa wala. Si Rene. Kaway mang niya. Nandok ka kung na ko'y mo. imadabao. Kita lahau le koe tau ia ana ke tertura no mabea. Dunia Kawala tertura. Oleh dia kau berima. Kenapa kita lalu? Kawala bani dia. Oh, betul memang nama pola. Logo betul memang. Kon minus tinggal. Kau dia koi. Mereka tu pola. Oh, tu dulu. Awak koi cuma awak koi dia yang mengawal. Kita awak jadi. Kau boleh jadi tak. Kau boleh kita. Di mana kau boleh bermain? Puli nak kan mandar dia. Oh dulu, dulu ni nak buat apa ni? Buat lain. Kau dia tua pun di mana tua tu sebenarnya dia. Ia ini. Anak kita ni kita masuk ni. Apa mau dia tahu bukan dia berbuat apa. Itu musuh orang tahu. Dia kita mahu bagi ini musuh apa. Behina po yang hiyo ini mofu apa? Wada aja nama ini mofu. Ini mofu hiyo itu mofu. Dia ha ko kuta ka ko kenal. Be kuta na dia ngau kia ko mesti me. Boleh buat hal itu sih ko me buat. Be ha to ho minta ini we fenomena ini mutuni. Ibu ko hawan. Uli mesti mereka koi tu orang betul yosi hau. Nama betul betul ini. Ayam nama dengan nama betul ini. Betul mungkin aku yang ya koi mana dengan kuah koi dulu dari muafuk ini mungkin ayam mereka mana. Kehegen noah itu mana ayam mana awak tutur. Aisyah muah. Mereka tahu mana dengan nama betul ini. Ayah naik mamia. Buat kau mana hak sino kaya mana orang tak sino kaya hak yang ikut dulu. Mana ini mana orang tak sino mana kita ini nak buat kau. Wilayah kapal mamia tu mau minta. Ini tu mana orang itu siapa mengau. Itu kau hiu kalau tu atau kalau kita koi dari bikin main mua kalau tu ni dibeli. Mua tu hemat tu di sini ni tu komen. Uya bakal nak kerjaan. Orang banyak kau ini dia fukin ni. Uya lah kau nak metang ni awak tu untuk. Mulai jadi tu nama tu ni wesi orang banyak ini. Kan mua tu ni yang orang tu ni. Ai tu cara nama uya lah yang nama ada di dia kita faham. Kemudian ini kau yang buat tu lah kepisingan. Kepisingan buah diri simau di depan bandar. Kemudian ini namanya ni muat di depan kepisingan. Kalau hari itu bandar muat itu berpunang, itu firman. Kemudian ini kau yang muat itu bandar di depan di bayang muat bandar. Kemudian ini tua kita kau tak pernah ingin mengenal kau itu bandar. Andi kalau kau yang awal kita, mulu ini yang benar. Kalau kita kalau mati, cuy contoh orang mana, nano mereka. Kalau wilayah kita contoh di Wirina, mulai itu sudah jangan. Ayah pihak itu mungkin mau ni muat itu dia Wirina. Kalau dapat hal ini, kalau wilayah masih tak dari Padulia itu. Maka apa ini? Kalau mana tu video dia. Dia cerita tentang kawin ibu yang tua. Kami hana kalau semua kita tu atau menului, mereka kita faham hai kita mandi. Kalau kalau kita tu betul fikir, ini hal tu bawa tahu betul pun anti beta nenale paham betul mandi. Tahu tu bosi tahu matua tahu kesina tahu fanau. Kalau kalau dia tu kan muat tu. Que a motora foi tomando Stephen Hoyt Derrick a perna falou com tua e fiz uma fuga do que tão nem imagina nem a rua e uni o é a filho eu vou fumar tudo falou ia tirar meu brother Lina vai que não murcui a motor leana do lof neto corriva que tu tu então falou falar que apoia moi hawa to oa komali moi hamua tau whanau neto ofito moi hamua tau mokopuna ke aho mahuina ne ko tau se mtu e whakaputalahi ai hamtu hata tu amatua lahi e whaui Nakai whakaskai mamani hawa tau whalofa ke matura tumani. Hawa tau le vekiana ki aia, si hopo mai aia ke tu e whitu mafuku tau e tau ni, koho e tu fulo mamani. Hia ni ka matura e tau whanau. Ka matura, manako matua, o whania matura matua, mokoine matura matua, o kawa loa matura, ke tau se ahani, ke whakawhiawhia ki aia. Whakauelahi o e tutulo. Manatu au, kolahona mta ki mtulu, e mui, e hamatora tumani, e whamatala atu, e hamatangaini working for Christian. Thank you, Christian, for that interesting time in life of our brother. You presented that very well. Whakauelahi. Ko Stephen Hoigeri, tunga de lati Christian. Koe tunga ani ke matura mtu fini, se botu ko fisi. Se ko vene longa hani noa, Steveni, ko tiveni, ko tivi, ko veni. Ka koe ingoa kwa fisi ha Steven, ko si tiveni. Kena ka mate ya unei, ki mfuru etau ko uita ego Steveni. Kama haya whauelahi. Na whanau, aia he botu ko fisi. O mai te mamatua ki nui. Ni liwa tu mo ia te mamatua, mamatua le te whanau, te wafi iki, e tau onu whumawha, ke tau stere e diploma he hamatua le te tani. Koe momu whapani whinatu e ia te haoma he Fiji School of Medicine, le tau sa ia certificate of public health. Moe hoana, moe tango luatu, si liu ki niwe ke tō fua, tonga tō fua. Liu mo ia ke tau sa diploma, ana motor matua si tato motor to kiki motor ruaki ta tese ko Ethiopia tata Ethiopia greve to mahana ako kana pipi to mahana mahala na si fanawa ya motor watunga ni furahiku ko keni hako no foi mane mulili driver ai moto mo transfer motor ta tese ko Ethiopia moto mo transfer ai mo e quay tầm vào đấy si tanya lâu mua nó fa solo mo scrivendo di we nó fo per matua tu pone fifine con lâu mua nó fo si tanya lâu mua che o anni che vai si da la o in pro in na homo full fa teenager eu anni la tahi top e ana quer que mai e fufu, mas foto ia nei para tu por aí do grupo de não vivo. Já para tu por tu dar é a não se top. Se o nome tem aí do filho de aí, he's a very handsome boy. It's teenager hand. O nome tem aí do filho de fisi, fala na veni pute top conto que ele. Então se fluman ai mo ai mo tamo matua fawau lahi ko mo ya to ke fia ko ni lahi fia bai to hi no matua I'm the middle child and I'm the one that not from ai what to be so well that the casting of heke morning nani ni we ta a beautiful house at the coast of in our village yo am do ni we so hi fu hala tai de si fa fual no matua ta casting of heke Allah pati yang mai. Kalau pelai mai apa tu bawa, dia ni membawa jafana dan mengikuti konime, sebenarnya ni dia membawa jafana fini, dia nak semua mengikuti dia, ko akalan. Kemudian hawa, apa nak dia fokus hawa mui, dia hawa sino, sebenarnya dia bayar bot. Mau dia file dawa, file betul dawa, sebenarnya mai dia nak for. Jadi file ni nak for aku. Mau mata, lalu si mau ikan lalu, kalau himun, ya kau mana, kalau foi dengan, Nei a hui mai nei a ka te puku yo ki mai nei a te puku ka kia mena te tola fiafi mena a whanau mena e whakawha every family to mawehewehe ko e nei a whauela.
I'd like to take this opportunity to just extend thanks to my siblings because we all chipped in and paid for the CDs. So Dad, I hope you appreciate the fruits of your labour. That you told me to do this for you because we love you. I'd like to say just really quickly to acknowledge my in-laws for being here tonight as well. So thank you for coming to support. Whereas Mum always took care of the academic side, Dad always took care of the sporting side of us growing up. Anything, doesn't want to hear about what you're doing for homework. It's like, are you running in athletics tomorrow? Something like that. You know, he'll go out there, buy any sports shoes I want, anything like that. Used to come support me and Stephanie when we used to do karate as well. Okay, so I just want to say thank you, Dad, for working really hard. 42 years in one company to support 7 children. And I always remember the story. Mum said one time something happened to his car and he had to run to work from Glen Innes to the city to get to work. Okay, and that takes a lot of commitment. So thank you to all the aunts and uncles who are here, especially Auntie Pua, Auntie Moka, Auntie Heke. Sorry if I've missed anyone. All right, I hope you all enjoy your evening. Whakawela.
Yay! Ngā mihi nui ki a koutou e pōnei, and I just want to acknowledge some of our Murfield family who is with us. Welcome Auntie Jean and Kataraina. I just acknowledge them because as children at Murfield we all grew up together, and Kataraina was like a stepsister that none of my brothers ended up with, but it's alright. Family, I just want to say I love you, Dad. You already know this. Thank you, Sandy, for covering most of the story for us. All I can say, one of the big things for my dad that I love about him is he likes to come mow my lawns, but he hurt his shoulder the other year, so he doesn't do my lawns anymore. So, no, I'm kidding. Family, Dad, yeah, you know I love us, you love us, we love you. I'll keep it short because dinner is supposed to be at 7 o'clock. Whakawelahi, enjoy yourselves, have a great night.
Thank you very much. Dad, thank you, Mum, but also thank you, Dad, for the special occasion, bringing all of your friends and family together. And thank you to the organisers as well, sending out the invitations, but also utilising the money that we've put together to put this venue together looking like this. Thank you all for coming. Keep smiling, keep active, keep fit. And as the weather is getting colder, maybe do more travelling back to Niue, where it's nice and warm, and to see the house that Porcina was talking about before. But those are very short words. I'd like to hand the mic over now because our food is being prepared, so keep them short. Thank you.
Dad, I've just got 2 sentences for you. Love you so much and thank you for not increasing my rent.
Whakalofla hea te ke tautoro osi, whakapunga whakaue ke atua mai hana whakalofa noa si mai ke tautoro ke kau whakarataha mai he pūri pōnei, ke whiawhia o loa mai hano tōru wamatotaani ko Stephen. I know we're supposed to keep it short, but I just told my sister I can't do short. I always have to say leave it out there, otherwise I'll have regrets later. So I just want to acknowledge everybody here, family and friends, especially our special guests here in the front. Auntie Pua from Niue, thank you so much for being here. You've always been somebody special to our family when we come back to Niue, and you always remind me of Nana and Papa, so I'm really grateful that you're here. Thank you so much. And to all my dad's siblings, thank you for all of your thoughts and everything that you do, including Auntie Heke. Thank you, we got the invite to visit you now in Tuasau, so we're looking forward to that. Auntie Moka and Uncle Junior, all the family, thank you so much for being here. Also to my mum's family, whakawelahi, everybody for coming here to celebrate with my dad. Thank you also to our nanas in the front here, 2 very special people to my dad, Nana Veta and also Nana Tulei, whakawelahi. You've been solid rocks for my dad throughout his life, all along I've known him, and also to Auntie Sally as well. whakawelahi. Also to Reverend Inga and your beautiful wife, whakawelahi, for blessing our day today. And Mum, beautiful Mum and Dad, thank you so much for agreeing to have this party. And also to my siblings who we all contributed together to make this party happen. Especially the main organisers, my brother John and sister Uma. They coordinated everything, and then they also, I think Sandy as well was part of the group, so it was a really special way to help acknowledge our dad. So just to keep it, now just to get on to something quick, I just wanted to share a couple of memories about him. Christian shared about how he used to work on the train for 42 years, and I'm 42 years old. Please don't cut me off. Please don't cut me off. I had this touch. 42 years, and I'm 52 years old now, and I just wanted to share about a couple of the memories that I had. One was about you working the train. When I was young, you used to call Mum up when we were maybe like 5 or 6, and you would say to her, meet me at the train station. So we'd all walk up to the train station, and you would talk to Mum, but just as the train was leaving, you would call out to us, because it wasn't electric trains, it was those red, diesel trains. So he would call out to us as the train was leaving and throw out coins. So we would be on the platform collecting all the coins. And so it was just one of the best memories. And there was no health and safety there. So, we were just running around the platform like crazy kids, but those were the best memories. And then there's a lot of memories. But I think that's the main one, and I know that I can't keep sharing because everybody else has to have a turn. So Dad, I just want to say to you that tonight is all about you, and acknowledging your love and your leadership for our family, and your sacrifices, your many sacrifices over the years. And I just want to say to you, thank you for everything that you've done for us, and for all the support that you've given to Mum over the years. You've gotten better. You've gotten better with supporting Mum over the years, and I think that's really reflected in how happy Mum is these days. Thank you also for being a good son to your Mum and Dad, Nanawani and Papa Napa. You're such a good son, and you're such a good role model for those reasons. So for me, I just want to acknowledge you for your work ethic, your love of your family, and also for knowing what's important in life. So that's what I have to say. And just from myself and my husband Gus and Lee Minato, we love you so much, and we're grateful for you every day. And I'm really grateful that you've always been very supportive of everything that I've done, and also that you love Fiji so much. So it's really nice to hear you and Gus talk about Fiji all the time, and also talk about how you always beat him in golf. So those are good times to remember. Last thing is, Liam especially wanted to say happy birthday to you because you share the same birthday month, and he wanted me to remind you that he's turning 12 tomorrow. So that's all from me. Thank you, Dad. Love you. Appreciate you. Happy birthday.
Go Neho, go Neho. Go Neho, go Neho. Kalamamai. Dad, whakalahi, tuatane hapu for everything you've taught me, which is work hard, pay the bills, and don't talk rubbish. Whakalahi. Uni mo ke leveki sino hao, leveki matuwhawhine hao, and I hope you have a good night tonight. You've got a lot of love around your necklace. Ke manuine tau mata, eh? He said not enough. No worries. Ke manuine mata lima hao, a favorite place. Palelo. And just want to say also thank you to my other, like a second father who's not here, my Uncle Kapisi. He was always good to us, like a second dad when, yeah, okay. Ki moruina. Others from my uncle Kapisi, from when I was born, he was always there for us. My dad's always at work because he works hard, pay the bills, 7 kids, no time. So we were up at, well, from what I can remember, Esperance. He would take my older brother fishing. He would just have the food laid out. They didn't have much money, but every time I left, I was full. So Sifa, James, Eden, yeah, whakalahi. Yeah.
Oh, pretty hard to follow that, John. I'm Hayden, and you know what they say, they save the best to last. But in my case, the naughtiest. And Dad, there's not many opportunities I get to say thank you and tell you how much I appreciate you and I love you for all the things that you've done for me. And yeah, like I've made many mistakes in life, but I know Dad has never left my side and he's always been there. So, you know, for however much time we have together, I'll be trying to emulate the gifts that you've given me to my kids, David and Lily, and you know, be a great husband like you have. So, whakoelahi and have a great night. Looking forward to the dancing, the party.
Awesome, go Lee! Steph. Alright, thank you very much for those beautiful speeches from the Eric siblings. I'd like to open the floor now to very quickly ask if anyone would like to come up and say a few words before we eat. If you do come up, those words must be very, very short. Is there anyone?
Mr. Pick. God, Hayden, the man. This guy knows what he's doing. Straight from Hakupu.
Comes to meet the macaroni. We left this side presentation while we carved up this side.
Wow.
And it was my first time. So I was like, oh, I'm not going to let this opportunity pass me by to carve up a pig, but whakoelahi, John, man, yep. How many kilos?
37.
Oh, 37, that's a small toddler here.
Bro, don't worry, bro. We saved your favorite part, bro. Yeah, everyone's coming out to eat. Everyone's... Yo. They were working backstage with my bro. They're doing food.
Shit, man, I thought I chipped in. Yeah.
Hey, everyone's coming to eat. Woo! Miss Niue.
Love you, hate the same. Thank you for everything you've done for me and my family. Love you, take good care and many more years ahead. God bless.
Go away.
Try not to put the boat.
Yeah, we're just putting in the puaka now. So Hayden's done this. He's got years of training.
Yeah, man.
And he's got look at that.
Slice that up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
As you can tell, we're in the favorite part of the night, the eating. All the speeches are already forgotten. All that stress and anxiety gone.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Not less than 5 seconds. 1 minute brown. As soon as they said, you're going to close it.
Yeah, as soon as they said the buffet's going to close.
Look fast. Look out there.
That's alright. So what do I have to do, John? Sorry?
Oh, cool.
That's how you pause it. That's how you pause it.
is our Auntie Jean. Any quick words, Auntie?
Thank you. This is
Oh, Auntie also, whakalawhātou. Thank you for...
Happy birthday, Kaz.
Thank you for bringing Auntie. Whakalawhātou. Uncle Peter.
Happy birthday, Stephen. He's here right now getting himself some pork. Gave me the timeline the other night. I was like, wow, okay. So this is it. Let's begin.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, good work, Christian.
Yeah, man.
Good work on, yeah. Nice, on time, right on the wire.
It's close. Cutting it close there. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do when you got family and they all want something to see?
Yeah.
I mean, can you imagine if we started on time?
Yeah.
It would be
good time now, good balance. So we just finished. All the hard stuff's out of the way. So now we just eat.
Yeah.
I'm not hungry anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, I was starving. Now I want to go sleep.
Yeah, exactly. I can't wait for the performances. I need to
Get some energy.
Get the energy. Just to boost it up. Get live. Get live. Get lively.
Oh yeah, here. Where's that? Oh, this is the piece here. That's the juice.
It's the pork belly.
Woo! Huh?
Doing a birthday house festival and be happy with part of the old time meeting for told me on.
No way.
Kau ingin kau berakai kau lah kita kepo kau pelbagai kau kau bawa lah tu. Pelbagai baik dia kan?
Ya.
Ini dah kau macam thank you.
Bagus.
Awal lagi ke wina, TV wina pintu kembali betul ah. Kita Allah betul ni apa ni? Kita mahu ke mahu tahu kita mahu. Siapa lagi ke wina mai tu apa yang buat dia tu long ah. Kita au benda kelas mahu. Oi punya ke boy. Oi aku tu padau. Tahu lebih ke kelas ni. Koi mahu. Yang mai hal mahu mai balik. Buat ke koi yang mai. Wei Ua hau e kua te mutaki wala te. Ai mawe, o preni ki tau premia, o lai kuru ni po.
Oi, o tupu. O. Okay. O patoi. Vai kupu. Oi.
Big man. You hear what's the man himself?
Hello, nothing much to say. Uncle Stephen, all the best. Happy 70th birthday. As you can see, a lot of your family here to support you. Much love, member of the family. So thank you very much for the invite. Also to Wilma, John here for organising, and the rest of the Eric family and GI. God bless. Thank you. Walk forward. And us, quite cool. Oh yeah, let's do the round. Okay. Oh, you say something? Yeah, I will. Your name? Too shy. All good? Walk forward. Quite cool, quite cool.
Happy birthday, Coach. Everyone, you were Mum's favourite nephew. One of Mum's favourite nephews. One of many.
So, cuz, we ready? Like, the big kids come up today? For you to help us well, the Negri Eric family.
Happy birthday, Kaz! Love you! Right down to no millennium, we have all the fun of them.
Let's get beat, baby!
Some well wishes for Stephen.
Brother Stephen, so when I met you, your wife, and your family, your children, so this is right at the beginning when your sister Muka and I first met, our first Christmas when we finally met your family, your children, and from that first time we met, particularly that year, with you and Marty and the kids coming around to Savona Road, I believe the beginning of what I consider knowing you as one of the best fathers I've ever seen. The way you brought up your children, I admired you from that first Christmas when we spent Christmas with you and your children. All the photos we took of the children when they were young, we still have those, not in a photo album, everything is in a box, and I'll tell you, we have thousands of photos of your kids from when they were young, when they were performing. But that first Christmas, that was the best Christmas of our lives. That was the year that was the Christmas, or the New Year's, sorry, that was the New Year's when they had the vandalism in Queen Street. I forget what it was, a concert. Anyway, Muka and I were supposed to go to that. When we saw it come up on the news, we decided, no, we won't go, we'll spend New Year's Eve right here with you and your family. And that night we ended up staying in the tree hut. Yeah, we did. We slept in the tree hut. I mean, it was summer, it was a fabulous night, you know, nothing else could go wrong other than what we were supposed to do, but yeah, memories like that are good. And my kids, when they see those photos, they say, so where were we? But Happy New Year, my brother. Happy New Year, or happy birthday, sorry. But yeah, Happy New Year anyway, but happy birthday. I hope you enjoy this time that you have with everyone in this room. I'm sure you will. A lot of people are going to be around you all night tonight, wanting to give you their thanks, but I'm glad I got the opportunity to say it this way. Much love. Thank you.
Settle down. Okay. It doesn't taste like
That's a nice camera, Stefan.
Where's the mother gone to?
Tutala.
Pahaokoa hea tu ke tau matua whiwhini. Pia ni me tau matua tahani. Tau whanau whiwhini me tau whanau tahani. Tau mokopuna. Pahaokoa hea tu ke tonu. Pia mo ke tau kupura he mga paoa. Me whanau ei he hako matua tahani. O rohi kua whalata hei ko tonu he puni mōnei. Ke whawhiawhia whinu mo fūre tautau whanau he aho ua whumoa I iuni tahe a whihimu siau rimo fūru matu whanau au he CWM Hospital I Suva Fisi hake matuatane ki Fisi te whakako te whai na ho Marangosima Ele veio mai haka mato whiwhine ko wani hoi tari no. Ki osi mo ia hata whākai mahina Indokia, mahina Kisema, so atu mo ia tōfua ki niwe so ni pule mara whanau mo. Sorry. Whanau au I Fisi Reina iuni, a hau whumau e tai haki seo Rima Fumatu. Seo whātuhita hau matu whine wharateo he tau Rima Fumatu. Pāse makānea. Kure ka maika. Aia. Kowe ki niwe no rofo I Aruf ya Karawana. Tau whare Aruf. Mahani rahi mea mautu morahepa. Mahana to I whine me tau whanau. Tau oatu mea mautu ki haku. Koe mana teo e whae matua tāne grandfather ko Erika Hilewa. Erika Masiana. Koe whae taha ki tō whisi I tō pakaupa punga ero ki tō sewi tō pū a koe pasi putu o tō ngōna pāki me foundation si tōro ki haki me whonga ki lō whare oi whare e mana ki au a ho mera tōhu ki au e tori pūwha maa Aia, o more mai ko masu ute re pate ya. Palo we hau to sea. O e patua o hapa maoli ne mana teo. Au mai ko to sea. Ai ni mo dea o tau fiha ia. Tau limo vau whanata. Limo de to ko ia. Taia ke hiu se limo fumo vau. Pano hea me to sea. Pai maro o e mato harma mai. Kāne to kapiniu. To kapiniu e on the coconut cups. Ke ino ke ta huhu mo to. Aia. Se koe. O me ke rai ni e whakawhare ama ko. O tau iwa tau ne tutu mai kea. Kopa. Kopa heia. Tūri tau huhu e kopa. Siaho mai mo ia e tau. Eio, iwa tau siu ki o me. Whakatutu e whafo. Tau mea pai whakarai ni mai wahenga. Tau mai iki ta mai a kapiniu. Kapiniu coconut cups. E ino ke ta huhu mo ia e maha hiki e. Tau tai a me hipe seo rimo fu mawau wharat. Rima hiwa. Ono mo fu. Si whakako e kurimuani au e maha moia o tōngia. Tōngia biani. Koe hao ni hapa ni mana. Liu tō se na hapara.
Reo mo o ki Karamahanga. Tama iwa ko Niue High School. Tama ko mo to Karamahanga. Era mo do fare. To fare aonga ko yes. Mo mo yo fare aonga ko yes pa ko yes. Ko kalu tama ko o po se mo to ko ya. Taga kalu tore leveki pues. Oro tutu oro te oro bonus. Si o se mo e pana aonga I curiosi. Tane man hako ni mo. Ni fio na higa o tafipo. Tafipo fa. Ni watu ko yalu ni tafayama ni o se watu ni fa ko poi ni ko ya kato. Si ko tum krekele ni ta ki tau se ni fulu ai curiosi. Ai o horu ngai o ia trabalha aqui. Ara de hakiliku. Hi ko mai hara ni polo fi hara roko. Ni ko hara ia o ia ki que tu faria mai curioso foi ai o tu mo i lo foi ha o shi ni ma ai ni ko pero ai ha que no ta de o que fa na rua o huri fa o de todo o huri o tu pu o shi no ia he que me ro mo shi na ko ai ska yo foi para cá virar se muito bem ai porque huri ha o fa ko tamana ro ma fa ai punua ko pe fe ko fitai na ro ro ko ta e ro po vai o mi to mau ni luka ma o ra ka pi to a fa yu ai ui fa no mau yo ta ma tona ai no e fa no mau ko fe ni we se ko to o ri va me to no ha ka to ma si mo e pre to mau si ko ai cô tona tôi ở quê po của ngay cái ta đã biết hàng cái không mấy cái luôn mà đấy ai si finale noi tura ki mèo ta da festa thấy có cuộc và không phải thì không si đi vậy có si hay ui tơ bởi vì thì nó phá coi một đây ta hai bên bên này tóc phải không cái hifu cái về phá đeo rồi
Ele hoje não é mais vestido que tem.
Oi, lá, Lula, aqui, lá.
sing right. Ita ki e tau me ausi, ae o mane ke tausi a whanau me tua tāne hapu. Whakolahi ki o motolu mai ki ke whirewia. O leo te ki atua ke whakamonuina e whanaunga matolu ki kaina ke malolo. O leo te whoki ke leweki a motolu. Ko ingo hao ko atua. Ki tu ea. Amene. Tūlaio puio. Matua take